today class. Already before yesterday I told na see we are discussing a subconscious, conscious, ego, super ego. That is the second unit. Only two topics. Already that day only finish of the second unit of psychology. Next now we'll discuss third unit. See, main third unit is a psychology of human behavior. What main how the human behavior each person, like what is main psychology means study of human behavior, no? How they have the human behavior each person, just you can study to the about persons. Here just like a definition, like introduction, human behavior is shaped by psychological traits. Psychological traits mean like a consciously, unconsciously, subconsciously, thinking, motivation, attitude, learning. These are all psychological traits, and has personality types of vary from person to person. I mean, different persons have to the different personality traits. Say example two and same no, two persons have to the other way super ego. Like this, different types of the personality have to the each person to person, and producing of different actions and behavior. Producing means they will show up the different actions of behavior. Some people will show like a smiling behavior. Some people's like a means angry behavior, irritational behavior, depression behavior. Different behavior have to the each person. They will show like a actions to the behavior wise. And human behavior is studied by the social sciences. Who will study main behavior well? Where you study of the human behavior means you can study of the about by social sciences, and which include psychology, sociology, economics, and anthropology. See here, this human behavior studying into this by social sciences means in society how they have the people's behavior. That also you can observe in the social sciences, and which includes psychology, study of the each human behavior and mindset, and sociology, study of the society peoples, how they're maintaining, how they'll mingle in the society, how they have the behavior. This and all also you can observe in the study to the about sociology, the society peoples. Next, economics means related economically how they will maintaining of the family member, how they lead to the family, means how they lead to the life. This and all also you can each person's you can identification of the study of the human psychology. And anthropology. Anthropology means study of the humanity. Study of the humanity physically, mentally, socially, spiritually. You can study of the humanity. That is a called as anthropology. This is the main psychology of human behavior. Means how they have the behavior, how they're doing of the actions, how they have the personal types of different personal types and psychology traits, and their how they mingle with the society peoples, how they're speaking to the family members, how they lead to the life. This and all we can study of the each person about psychology. That is a psychology of human behavior. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am asking here, you are all are sleeping.
No, ma'am.
Next, next character, next head, sorry. Next basic needs. 1 minute. Okay, next topic, basic human needs. I will ask one question. Anyone tell me, what is main basic human needs in your life?
Food.
Good, good.
Food,
water, air,
Yeah, at least you're telling some points. Very good. Thank you.
cloth,
Cloth, yeah, good.
from
Good. Cloth
Makan or
also.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, good, Samim. Okay, like this, so many basic human needs. Next topic, basic human needs in third unit. See, why basic human needs? Without human needs, they can't stay into the earth. As a main needs very important. In needs also, they'll maintaining of the good behavior and good mentality and good health also. No needs means they can't maintain properly to the behavior also. Sometimes in case needs, example, money or cloth. No clothes, no food means what happened? your brain will affect into the something problem. That time what happened? That time you have to the some psychological problem. That's why needs also very important to the each human. 1 minute. Anupam, you only keeping not keeping mute. Okay, next we will discuss basic human needs characteristics. See, main characteristics of basic needs. Basic needs are approximately same for all. Means all people same only na. Yours not a different, not my different basic needs. Basic needs means all people's approximately same only. Approximately is related to the all needs same to the all peoples. And second one, the importance of each need is a different for each person. Importance each need means whatever have the importance of needs, that needs differently to the each person. In case your means related to you, you are different of the that important needs. I needs my differently means differently having of the important needs to the each person. But needs is equal to all peoples, but sometimes important needs to the different each persons. And all the basic needs are interconnected and interactive. All basic needs are interconnected. Interconnected means you can maintaining of the one of the good communication between two persons. Like you have the good needs means you can maintaining of the good communication, and interactive means you can mingle with to the you can mingle with to the all peoples, because we have the good human needs. Some peoples no have the proper human needs like no food, no cloth, no water. Like this means nobody will not maintain the proper communication, nobody mingle with to the others. That's why main this basic needs is the all basic needs interconnected and interactive. They'll mingle. This needs main mingle to the all peoples, and connects also you can maintain to the all peoples because of good all basic needs to the each person. That is a characteristics of basic needs. Next theory related to basic needs. Which one basic needs main important means in theory wise. Maslow's hierarchy theory of basic needs for human being. Main for what needs which theory very important to the for basic human needs means Maslow hierarchy, because of in this Maslow hierarchy theory have the so many human needs of the particular persons. That's why main this using of the good theory for the human needs. Now we will see what is main Maslow theory, Maslow hierarchy theory. Okay, Maslow hierarchy human needs. In this Maslow hierarchy theory, what main having of the human needs? In this theory only studying to the about human needs. What needs want to the humans? Like this Maslow theory only observing and studying of the about human needs. Main here 5 levels of Maslow hierarchy levels, 5 levels. First one, physiological, and second one, safety, and third one, love, belonging, and fourth one, esteem, and fifth one, self-actualization. Self-actual means self-activities, and esteem means self-values, and love, belonging means you can protect to the love, and you can receive to the love to the other persons, and safety, you can maintain up and you can protect to the your safety, and physiological main physiological to maintain to the our body. These different 5 levels of the Maslow hierarchy human needs. Now you can see your physiological: breathing, food, water. 1 minute. Okay, now we'll discuss physiological needs. Main physiological needs see here. Physiological needs related to the body necessary for life. As a main physiological needs very related to the body necessary for life. These needs not there means that time no life to the human. That's a main what physiological means when unmet these needs lead to death. Once unmet means when loss of unmet means loss. When loss of this needs, automatically the patient will lead to the death. Then main physiological needs very important to the human needs. What means main food, hair, water, oxygen, clothing, sleep, sex, protection from extreme temperature, elimination, sensory needs, motor needs. This all human needs very important to the physiological. Food, main food giving to the good life and good healthy to the body. And air giving up the good circulation and good respiration, good oxygen levels to the body. Water, main maintaining of the good electoral balance into the body. And oxygen, this oxygen very increasing and normally maintaining to the respiration levels to the body. And clothing, that cloth is a protecting to the all body parts. And sleep is one of the good healthy for life. That's a main sleeping also relaxation of the mind, that also very important. And sex, main sexual in main of sexual also very important to the between wife and husband, otherwise any between male and female also very important. This one of the physical needs to the satisfaction to the mind. And protection from extreme temperature, whenever getting of winter, that time main also very more extreme temperature protect only your body. That's a sometime body temperature also very important, not a body temperature, outside environment temperature. Next, elimination, main bowel elimination, bladder elimination also, this also one of the main important. And sensory needs means taste, smell, auditory, visual, this under sensory needs also very important. It means you can listen of the sounds, you can take up the smell, you can do the taste of the particular anything. Like this sensory needs also very important. And motor needs. Motor means like a psychological thinking, ideas, thoughts, this and all also. Motor needs very important to the physiological for human needs. This is a physiological. And second one, safety and security needs. See, safety security needs, what that means? Personal security needs. What main personal security includes? The need to be free from anxiety and fear. In case your parents safely, securely seeing your means, in case you are going outside, that time patients, parents also will come and secure to the and protect to the yours, means that time what happened? You can't get to the any anxiety and no fear because of my parents protecting me, my parents securing me. That's why I don't have the any fear and anxiety. Like this, whoever protecting to the security and safety, that time they'll free from to the anxiety and fear. That time sometimes whenever going outside, the girls night time going outside, that time police and they will also traffic people also, they will protect to this safely, they will maintain into the humans. Na? That also one of the, that time nobody will get the anxiety, fear. That's why whoever safely, securely protecting your body, that time you can't get to the any anxiety and fear. Next, the need to be secure in the environment. Main safety, secure time environment also very important. Means park, some areas, good environment also securely you can provide it. See, environment means in case example pub, club environment. That time full drinking, they will doing something, they will killing. Otherwise, they will do whatever something. That is not a good environment. Here, securely environment is very important to the each person. And the need for order and routine means the need security also they'll go to the order routine. You can do this work, you don't do this work, you can doing this means you can get the problem. Like that, the securely, safely they will inform to the humans. That's the humans also they follow up the whatever they giving up the order. Example, your smart students who are not maintaining of college rules and regulations means you can get to the problems. You are maintaining of rules and regulations means you also be happy freely and you can protecting of the security and safety to the securities also in hostel. Like this also mean they will also order whatever ordering they will maintain. And financially security. Financially security means sometimes there some people will get the financial problem like economical problem. That time what you mean means family members or relatives, any friends, anyone they will protecting and secure to you. They will help to the you. That time automatic use reduce of the financial problem. Like that, whoever saving to the about financially also, that time you will be happy and feel like a and means not getting of the any fear, anxiety, no stresses. That's a financial secure also very important to the each person. And health and well-being security. Health and well-being, who will take care of more health means doctors and nurses. They will protect of the good health to the each person. That's why health and well-being security also very important to the in each human. That is a safety security needs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
see this picture, safety
Yes,
needs. You can see picture. One first feature is a, like a lock. Why means that lock? You want to maintain. You can't. You want to protect to the house. Means in case inside house any gold, money, valuable things is there. Means anybody thieves and coming taking the things total. Taking means what happened? You will get to the feel badly. You will cry because of valuable things they will taking. That's why before thief entering to the house only, you can lock up the, you can safely, you can protect to the your house like with lock. That is one of the safety needs to the for your house. And here say traffic jam. In traffic jam, what they will controlling of the vehicles. Nobody will get to the any accidental, like that. They will maintain to the secure to the all public peoples. And car down, you can see because of that car is it by mistakenly fall down means like a dangerous, means like injuries getting accidental. That time traffic peoples only they'll save to the, they'll security give to the about each person. That's the security peoples also, they will safely, they'll maintaining up to the society peoples like this. Next, third one, love and belongingness needs and social needs. See example, nobody loving means like a father love, mother love, sister love, brother love. In case in one family members ma, in case one family members 5 members is there, 4 members nicely loving, showing and taking of love very happily. But one person is very lonely. Nobody will showing up the love to the person. That person all think they will get to the some psychological problem. They will try to, I will die, I will means I will try to suicide attending. Like this they have the behavior because of nobody showing love means how can you stay in the home? In case example, your parents not showing love means you can stay in home.
No, madam.
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Nobody will stay. That's why here also like a friends love and like if between students and madam, between patient and nurse, between two persons like that. No love anything means nobody will get to the, like a normally. They'll start up this some psychological problem. Here main love and belongingness needs. Main love also very important to the each person. Here, first point, social acceptance, friendship to be loved. The social peoples will accepting. Okay, like if friendship, whatever society peoples will accept, what they will accept means friendship and loved. We can love to anyone, society will accept. You can do friendship to anyone, society will acceptance. Like this, giving to the full love to the others persons. That's why there are all peoples very happily enjoying it. And second one, need to belong to relate to others. Main love you can take belong to the others relatives also, like your friends relatives, otherwise long relatives, long distance relatives. You can take more love to the that receive to the that other persons also. That time also your mind like free happily. Next, sexuality. Main here sexuality first point. The ability to give and receive love and affection. Okay, sexuality can be some people see there na daughters main loving to the fathers. The fathers also they loving to the daughters. They receiving of the love. They will provide to the love to the daughters. Like that, opposite sex also opposite sex gender also they will protect of the good love showing to the others persons. Like this also here, the ability means capacity to give and receive love and affection. Whatever love, affection you can give and receive to the others. And reproductive capabilities means reproductive capability means female reproductive system and male reproductive system. This also main giving to the love to the others because of that. Like in after marriage also main sexual intercourse also giving to the full love to the others person in that time situation. That's why this also one of the main like showing of the love to the reproductive way, reproductive system way, like also showing to the same opposite sex. This is a main like the showing and you can give love and you can receive from the love. Here you see picture. First one, friendship. There are four members handshaking and holding of the hands because of they're lovely, they're maintaining of the good friendship. That's it, they feel happy, they're enjoying. In second one, you see daughter and father. That is one of the good love affection to the between daughter and father. In case the father not showing of love to the daughter will feel badly. She will think something like abnormally. Like this. In down you see friends all are enjoying to the togetherly going because why like together going is because of they have the full love in between group like a that's why they're enjoying going to anywhere. That's why you can show love and you can receive them to love. That is a main important to the for human like a human brain getting to the some like a good knowledge to the and good behavior to the related love also. That is a love and belongingness needs social needs. Next, recognition and esteem needs. Recognition means identification of the esteem needs. Means like inside feelings. Means whatever values, self values, this and all also very important to the each person. What that esteem needs means feeling important and worthwhile. You can feel like values. Yeah, I have values. I have good value about feelings also. Like that, you can feel of the important good values. Like includes respect, approval, appreciation. You can give respect to the others and you can approval means you can accept to the other person's love and appreciation. You can appreciate. Yeah, good. Okay, well done. Like that, you can appreciate like a good your feeling. Some people's like doing yeah, nice like they're just acting but inside no feelings. That's why you can show feelingly, you can accept to the other love, you can appreciate to the other persons, you can do to the real respect to the others. That is the main esteem needs also important each human. In case you're not giving respect me means I can't speak with yours because of your irrespect people, sir. That time I can't maintain proper communication, that time yours also suffer. That's why respect, whenever respect giving, you give respect and take respect to the each human. Next one, we engage in activities that bring achievement, success and recognition. Whatever we engage means we maintaining up the whatever activities like related games, related life tasks, related family, whatever who have the any activities bring achievement. You can receive of the whatever activities you can complete like a successfully. You can identify. Yes, I am doing. I have these activities. I will successfully. I will done. I will very feel happy. Like that, there only self only they will identify. They will successfully complete of the full activities. Like this also motivate also very important to the each human. Next, we gain self confidence. There, people only self only you can maintain of the self confidence and begin to direct our actions, starting to up to whatever you have actions. Directly, you can start to the actions. Means like a toward become what we want to be. What do you want? That and all related only. You can directly you can start of the work. You can successfully we can receive of the what you want. Like this, you can get the good self-confidence. Example, I want to become a good nurse. That is my self idea. I will maintain of the self-confidence. Yeah, I will get the good chance for me, like a good chance of like a nurse. That I have the good confidence of the myself. That time what happened? I will start begin to the what you want my name like a good nurse. That I will start. I will begin. I will show up the some actions like related self-confidence. I will get to the good name for me. Like this, self-esteem means self only you can get the good values to the about humans. That's the main respect, approval, appreciation, activities, self-confidence also very important to the huge human. Next, self-actualization means self-activities. Means here, means self-activity means some people have the self-goal. I want to reach you. I want to achieve to the my goal. I want to reach my goal. I fulfill up the my goals. Like that, some have to the self-actualization. In case you don't have the self like this means what happened? You very worst fellow. You don't have the any feelings. You don't have the good chance for the get the good job and no have the good life and not have the good future because we don't have the self actualization. That's why you not get to the anything to the in your life. That's the main you can maintain the self actualization. See here you see picture that one person want to taking up the something in a sky blue color is there, something they means they want to reach to the there, because of why means the goal have the I want to reach to the upside, but middle sometimes very discomfort, very difficulties, very problems getting, but that problems he is controlling and reaching to the goals. Like that self only you can reach up the, your goals and fulfill up the your aims. Here self realization, in case suddenly I am scolding to one student not doing any mistake, but suddenly I'm scolding, within 2 minutes I'm realization self, oh sorry, by mistake I'm scolding. Like that self realization also very important to the each person. And obtaining our full potential become confident, whatever you have the good confident, that related confident ideas you can fulfill up the your mind. And eager to express, eager means strongly feelings, means strongly, in case you see strongly you are motivating and strongly maintaining self confidence, you will get the good chance for and you will get reach to the your goals because of strong feeling. Example, strong feeling, tomorrow I want to go home, like this I will get the strong feeling, tomorrow I will go, because of strong also very important to the in the your life, strong feelings also very good life will give to the about each person's. That's why main eager strong feeling to express our beliefs, whatever you believe into any person that related, I'm believing you, like that can show up like a strong feelings like a by expressions. And willing to reach out to the others to help them, you can willing, you can will selfly, you can will, you can help to the others. You have any problem, that problem I can help, like that that willing also very important to the each human. Example, sometimes strong feeling, some example, love people, so they will very strong feel like I'm doing love with you, please you can accept it, like the strong feeling expression like ice, that time they will accept too. That's why main strong feeling expression also very important to the each human. And willingness, which willingness we can help to the them, I mean you can help to the others also, that willing also very important to the each human, means each human activities like this is a self actualization. Next to, okay, anybody have doubts?
Ma'am, achieving full potential means reaching his goal. That's your telling, ma'am.
Which one?
Achieving full potential
Uh,
means a person is trying to fulfill his goal. That's kind something
yeah,
like that.
self actualization means whatever they have the in life, anything they'll fulfill of the selfly. Nobody will no other peoples will help, but self main important. You want to fulfill of the your things. Like a potential means having whatever you have means that you can show and you can fulfill up the your goals.
Yes.
Something you can get the good future. Then జయశంకర్ వచ్చినావా?
And ma'am, willing, madam, what you said, ma'am, willing.
Willingness you can help to the them means your selfly you can willing to help. Some people have the very different character. I won't willing to the, I won't help to the others, like that different people have the character. But here human character, how selfly you can willing to the, you can help to the others, that is a main self actualization. Some people's mentality nobody will help to the others, that is not a good humanity.
It's like, ma'am, attitude, ma'am, showing attitude.
Some people showing attitude like I don't do help, like some people have ego, in ego time also they can't help properly. That's why selfly
Yes.
good activities, good something whatever inside you can maintain like a good way, that time you can help